Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make iceberg lettuce the only way. First, select a firm, compact head of iceberg lettuce. Remove any outer leaves that are bruised or discolored. Next, core the lettuce by striking the stem end on a cutting board. This helps loosen the leaves. Rinse the cored lettuce under cold running water to ensure it's perfectly clean. Finally, dry the lettuce completely using a salad spinner or clean kitchen towels. This step is crucial for crispness and proper dressing adherence. Now, let's craft a simple yet perfect vinaigrette. Combine 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil with 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar. Add 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard and a half teaspoon of granulated sugar for balance. Season with a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of freshly ground black pepper. Whisk all these ingredients vigorously until the dressing is beautifully emulsified. This creates a smooth, cohesive dressing that coats the lettuce perfectly. Remember to taste and adjust seasonings to your preference. With your lettuce prepped and dressing ready, it's time to assemble. Cut the dried iceberg lettuce into 4 to 6 sturdy wedges. Arrange these crisp wedges on individual chilled serving plates. Drizzle each wedge generously with the freshly prepared vinaigrette. For an essential savory crunch, garnish with crumbled crispy bacon bits. Finally, add a sprinkle of finely chopped fresh chives for a mild onion flavor and a touch of color. This simple presentation highlights the lettuce's natural crispness. To truly enjoy iceberg lettuce the only way, remember these key tips. Always use very cold lettuce. Chilling it enhances its crisp texture. Ensure the lettuce is completely dry before adding any dressing, as excess water dilutes flavor. Dress the salad just before serving to prevent wilting and maintain that satisfying crunch. If you have any leftover undressed lettuce, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator. Serve immediately to experience the ultimate refreshing and crisp bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.